The OSMO Pocket is a wonderful little camera. Even so, many users, me included, have a big problem with the fact that it only has 3-axis stabilization. This results in this bumpy movement when trying to walk smoothly forward, especially when you don't have another distracting moving object in the frame. A solution to this problem is to add an electric miniscooter and a GoPro chest mount to your OSMO Pocket. Here you can see the difference. Walking on the left and miniscooter on the right. Even cobblestones will not affect the smoothness of this setup. The size of the scooter and the ability to ride with a slow speed makes it perfect for dolly-like follow shots on the sidewalk. Add the follow mode in your OSMO and you can capture real cinematic movements. Now, I don't own the wireless module, but if I did, it certainly would have helped me a lot when I set up the framing for this shot. Now, it was a bit of a trial and error before I could get it right. Hope this little tutorial was helpful. Like and subscribe if you want to see more films like this.
I walk like crap now.